Here's the question I got asked. How can I copy multiple slides in a Google slide? No matter what you want to use them for, the question is, how do I copy them? I love to help people use Google Workspace and all the tools that are built into Google Workspace and Gmail. And I hope this answer I'm about ready to share with you will be helpful for you. So here we go. You can see that I've got, if I go all the way to the bottom, I got 13 slides here. I want to copy all the ones that have images. So if you scroll back up here, the first one, the image is right there. Now, how do I copy it? You can go to Edit and you can hit Copy, but it doesn't say copy all of it. I can duplicate. I got that. But how do I copy them, all the ones of images? Show you how to do it. Click on the first image. Now, once you click on it, hold your Shift key and then hit your down arrow. Boom. Highlight the second one, highlight the third, and you go all the way down to the bottom, and I highlighted all of those. Now, once you highlight them all, I could, if I want to, hit delete, and I just deleted them all. Oops. How do I bring them back? Command or Control Z, and they're all back, and they're still selected. What else can I do? I could highlight them all or select them all. I could right click and I can duplicate. Look, it says slides. Boom, I hit that. And look here, now I have 24 slides. How do I undo what I just did? Hit Command or Control Z. I'm back to 13. How can I select individual ones without selecting them in a row? Click on the first one, hold your Command or your Control button, click on that one. Oop, click on it again, click on that one, scroll down a little more, click on that one. I'm still holding the Command or Control button each time. Okay, I got to keep holding it. Once I do it all, I can let go of the Command or Control button, and I got all of those. I can hit, now I can hit, Command C to copy if I want to, or I can go up here and I can say duplicate. Ooh, it doesn't say slides. It's interesting. And boom, down the bottom, 1, 8, 6, 3, and 8. That's how you do it. Again, it's really pretty easy. You select one and you hold your Shift or your Command button. If I hold the Command or Control, then I can just keep clicking. But if I hold the Shift button, I can hit the down arrow and I can keep undoing it and I can select. I can undo, back up and undo by either holding the Shift or the Command/Control button. Practice it a little bit. It's really pretty easy. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guide. I hope this has been helpful for you.